January 16 pangthokadaba Republic Day celebration gi mangoinana state amadi central force na mafam kayada pak sana thiba humbagi thabak chathabaga loinana chingnaba miyoi kaya lokhatuna verification chathakre. Imphal West ki oina 109 battalion CRPF ki CO Vinod Kumar gi liching makhada sniffer amadi tracker dog team ahum bomb expert team taruk yauna CRPF personnel kiyana Raj Bhavan gi akoibada ayuk pung taruk minute nifumanga dagi taret minute yankai fauba sanitization operation chathakre. Ngasi chathakiba sanitization aduga mari lenana Raj Bhavan ki security head to oiriba 109 battalion CRPF ki CO Vinod Kumar na wafam kayasu thamlagli.
We are carrying out intensive checking around the Raj Bhavan area. In fact, this is our routine drill, and we have been doing every day. And but in keeping in view of the Republic Day, we are doing it at very frequent level. Actually, what I find, there is no issues in the Manipur for the Republic Day, but as a precautionary measure, preventive measures, we have been doing it. And we have the sniffer dog, tracker dogs and BDD squad, and we are carrying this is basically called anti-sabotage drill. And we have been doing it every day. So it is a routine, and but keeping in view of the Republic Day, again, I will emphasize that we are alert for everything, and there won't be any problem, there won't be any issues for celebrating in the Republic Day, and my best wishes. Thank you.
Amaromda Imphal West ki additional SP operations TS Krishna Tombi gi miteng makhada Deputy SP Commando Moirangthem Amina Luchingba Imphal West Commando Bajar Unit ki teamna Thangal Bajar gi Major Khul Kalibari Dharmasala amadi Delhi Motors Lambida Park sana thiba humbagi thabak chathaki ayuk pung 8 minute yankhai dagi nipan ga minute kuntra fawba chathakiba search operation aduda punna miyoi chani ga kuntra masak khangdokhi maduda masagi saktak che yaudaba miyoi nipan makhata na verification chathanabagi damak city police station da sinaki. Bishnupur district ki oina district asigi additional SP operations KSH Manihar gi miteng makhada Bishnupur district police amadi commando gi combined team na Bishnupur ward number 5 amadi 6 ki akoibada park sana combing operation chathaki ayuk pung manga makhai dagi taret phawa chathakiba operation aduda punna miyoi chamri kun manga verify tawki saktak che yaudaba miyoi mari makhata na verification chathanabagi damak Bishnupur police station da sinaki.